I became a doctor of chiropractic due to a deep personal experience involving my father, who had been through the surgical route, and it was a doctor of chiropractic that gave him his life back. I've treated successfully tens of thousands of patients over my 20+ years in chiropractic. I'm a chiropractic orthopedist. What we do is specialize in treating in spinal-related disorders as well as extremities. Many of the conditions that we treat successfully include many of the chronic degenerative conditions that respond very favorably to our conservative, non-surgical, non-drug approach. We treat various conditions such as herniated discs, degenerative discs, spinal stenosis, as well as low back pain, headache, neck pain, tingling and numbness down the arms and legs, as well as peripheral neuropathy. One of the things we pride ourselves on, we are big on patient education. To make an appointment, dial 205-989-4114. We're conveniently located off 459 at exit 10 at the Baptist Hoover Medical Center.